Hey guys, this is Muffman20 here, and just doing a bike check on my awesome bike. I got a few new parts. Okay, so right now I'm running the Odyssey Hazard Light rims. They're really good, as you can see in the back too. I'm not sure. There it is, right there. And then I'm running a Fit Aiken shoe frame with Odyssey twisted pedals, and then I'm running Snafu Mayweather cranks, a Fitz Rocket, a KMC half link chain. I don't know why, but I just felt like putting it on backwards. Running stock pegs and Fit Blade light forks, Odyssey headset, Odyssey Lincoln stem, Slam XLT bars, ODI grips, Fit bar ends, to the screw-ons, standard brake cable, upgraded brake thingy with a jigger bobber right there. And then this is stock right here. And I disconnected my brakes for the sake of the video because I don't want them moving around or anything. And I'm running the Odyssey Hazard V2 cassette hub. I just did a review on it. You can click on the link that I will put in the description probably tomorrow or sometime soon. I'm running Primo spokes on both wheels, and here's what the hub sounds like. It's pretty loud, but I degreased it, and I re-greased it, and yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. I'm running a Shadow seat, standard seat post, Shadow seat, and I'm running a light because my mom just makes me have a light on there because she's just like that. Has a blinker mode, yeah, that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's my bike check of 2013. And P.S. Fit FAF tires, not stock. Alright, Muffman20 out. Peace.